Ghana, your beloved country, is free forever. Hello people, it's your young boy Padu. I want to wish all the people of Ghana a happy Independence Day. Stay united.
Hi guys, it's your girl Bella. Happy Independence Day to all Ghanaians. Let love lead.
What's poppin' people? DJ Jama here. Happy Independence Day to the people of Ghana. Peace and love.
Hello friends, it's your boy Emmanu. I want to wish all Ghanaians a happy Independence Day. God bless Ghana.
Hello people, it's your fan girl Mara. Happy Independence Day to all Ghanaians.
Hello everyone, it's your girl Ama. Happy Independence Day to all the beautiful people of Ghana. Keep shining.
Hello people, it's your wise man Geku. Happy Independence Day to all the people of Ghana. Cheers.
Hello aunties, uncles and friends. It's your CCTV Delo. I want to wish all the people of Ghana a happy Independence Day.